Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys. I have the base box and it has finally arrived, and look at this. We actually got an info card in this box. So that's super awesome because, as you guys know, that has been one of my major complaints for the last couple of months. My BoxyCharm boxes would arrive with no card at all. So I'm happy that I did get a card this time around. However, I have to say that my base box arrived after the 15th of the month. So yes, it did arrive, but it did arrive via horse and buggy. But at any rate, I am glad to finally have it. You guys know that I love receiving my BoxyCharm boxes. There's always good product in my BoxyCharm box, or I'm happy with, I would say, about 95% of the products that I get in my BoxyCharm box. But still, overall, as you guys know, as I always say, it's an awesome deal because for $25, you get over $100 in products monthly. You can't beat that. So for this month, the theme of the base box is Mother Nature. This is what our info card looks like for this month. I got variation 15. You guys hear me talk about the variation from time to time. So that's what this little number and this heart means here. This means that I got variation 15. So let's get started talking about the products that came in this month's base box from BoxyCharm. This is the first item we're going to talk about that came in my May base box from BoxyCharm, and this is from Elements, and this is the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. The info card states Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads are powered by Elements' patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. So you guys know that I'm all about the skincare aspect of things. I have gotten Elements in my BoxyCharm box before. I have lots of respect, and I really do like the products that come from Elements, so I'm super glad to have this in my box. And the retail cost for the Elements Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads is $59. This next item is from Studio Makeup, and this is the Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette. This is what this palette looks like. And this palette almost would remind me of the Naked Reloaded palette. It has some similarities. So yeah, this is what this palette looks like. And the info card states the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette displays a versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks. This all day, all night creamy smooth eyeshadow texture glides on and blends with ease, providing a color coverage in a single stroke. So yeah, this is what this palette looks like. I did not create a look using this palette for this video. I do have a video using the Naked Reloaded palette, which is similar to this palette. So just in case you want to take a look at that video to get some inspiration when using this palette, I'll be certain to link it in the iCard above, so that way you can check that video out. So yeah, this is the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette, and the retail cost for this palette is $35. This next item is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is an eyeshadow primer. So we've gotten Pretty Vulgar in our BoxyCharm box before. I really like them quite a bit. BoxyCharm has sent me a concealer from Pretty Vulgar and also a translucent powder. Love both of those products. But the info card states this Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is a blendable, lightweight skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadow by making them vibrant and long wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oil, it will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. So I prefer to use some type of eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base for every look. So yeah, I'm super glad to have this product. It will definitely be put to good use. I like the Pretty Vulgar brand, and the retail cost for the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is $22. This next item is from Appeal, and this is another brand that we have gotten in our BoxyCharm box before, and this is the Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Next Level. So this shade looks to be really pretty, looks really wearable for my particular skin tone. So the info card states that this is a luminous cream lipstick that glides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. This lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application, rich color, and is a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection. So again, we've had Appeal in our BoxyCharm box before, and this color looks to be one that I would like. Let me swatch this for you really quickly, and let's see. So this is what this doe foot looks like on this applicator. And if we were to swatch this, this is what this color looks like. So it's really pretty. Doesn't look to be too pink, but yeah, it's going to be a nice summer color, nice spring summer color. So that's really nice. And the retail cost for the Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick is $21. And the last item that came in my box is this item here. This item is from Tarte, and this item is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. This will be my first time ever trying a makeup remover from Tarte, and the info card states, the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oils, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. So let's get a better look at this. Okay, so yeah, so this is what this looks like. I love this packaging, isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. So yeah, this is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser, and the suggested retail cost is $18. So I've added up the cost for all of the items that came in my base box for the month of May, and the total cost of all 5 items is $155. You guys know, as I always say, I paid substantially less for my base box subscription, so it's a good deal. So if you'd like to try out products from brands that you already know of, or maybe even get some exposure to some brands that you've never heard of, BoxyCharm is a good way to do that. So I'm going to leave a link below in the description box. You can use that link if you'd like to sign up for BoxyCharm, or you can visit www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there and start receiving your own box. So yeah, that's everything that came in my May BoxyCharm base box. I did not do a demo as part of this video, but as I mentioned, if you got this particular palette, you can check out the video where I created a look using the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. Like I said, I think that this palette is going to be a good dupe for that palette. So if you need some inspiration, be sure to check that video out. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.